While traditional reimbursement processes average a 15-day cycle, iSearch Travel Butler Agent has enabled a petrochemical enterprise to achieve express settlement in just 3 days across global 200 branches. This solution was featured in IDC's recent report, Agent-Based Enterprise Process Optimization Market Maturity Analysis and Vendor Assessment, establishing a multi-agent finance intelligence exemplar. Unlike single-function RPA tools, iSearch Travel Butler Agent achieves end-to-end processes through multi-agent collaboration, automating over 20 high-frequency financial scenarios to significantly boost operational efficiency. Beyond finance alone, iSearch was recently featured in IDC China's AI agent ecosystem landscape, emerging as a full-stack agent solutions provider across workflow, productivity tools, smart marketing, customer service, and intelligent operations. If you're exploring similar AI-powered solutions, why not consult us now for tailored details?